Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Tuesday, December 17th, show number 592. Here are the two words for today. The first one is a person, and the second one means above. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is our boss. Jennifer is our boss. Boss. B-O-S-S. A boss is a person in a workplace that tells the other people what to do. Now let's make a flashcard for boss and remember it forever. Please write boss up here in the top left corner. We usually say your boss or my boss. Down here in this corner, PEO 1. This means people, level 1. Over here the number 4 out of 78. And now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. Boss. Please write that up here in the top right corner. What about you? Do you have a boss? Tell me about your boss in the comment section. Now let's do card number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The moon is over the ocean. The moon is over the ocean. Over. The moon is over the ocean. It is above the ocean. Now let's make card number 2 for over. Please write over up here in the top left corner. O-V-E-R. Down here, the category GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. And also A2, because this word is also an adjective in level 2. And the number down here, 88 out of 135. And now I'll show you the IPA. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. O. Ver. Over. Please write that up here in the top right corner of the card. Class is over. Thank you for watching. Today we learned your boss. Very good. And over the sea. O-V-E-R. Thank you for watching. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first is a very big house where the king and the queen live. The second one means pertaining to the whole country. And the last one you have to do when your telephone doesn't have any power anymore. You have to? Very good. Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. And if you are new, hello, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on flashcards and remember them forever. This is a 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. Here's our schedule until December 25th, and then we take a break. And we will begin again on January 1st. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. To study here, that's it. That's all you need. Our schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. Why not today? Please remember these. We use them very much. And when you make a card, please write your language on the other side. What language do you speak at home? Let me know in the comments. You can find a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag. My name is Vinny. See you tomorrow.